Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digibotz Learners. So, now we're gonna check an issue with our WordPress website. It's gone to the maintenance mode. Let me show you how to remove that. Sometimes, due to some packages update or the plugin update, you will get stuck in this one. So, for that, you have to log into your host, the your host server. So once I get connected using the FileZilla, I'm using the FileZilla tool. So it's pretty easy and gives you the full access of the server. So on the server, I'm having under the name of this var www. So the WordPress, let me show you clearly. WordPress. Under the WordPress, can you see the maintenance? Yeah, this one. We have to delete this. Once it deleted, reload the page. Yes, we got our website back. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel.